Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Berlinda from MIGHTY101. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please click subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. So guys, we are talking about what is the Mighty 101 all-purpose cleaner. So, and why is it an important product at tripleclicks? So, I read only this. For what about Mighty 101 All-Purpose Cleaner? This is the one product of tripleclicks. So, ayan. I read this. Debuting January 6, 2021. Mighty 101 is a revolutionary, environmentally safe cleaner with over 100 uses, completely non-toxic, 100% biodegradable, and with no artificial colors or perfumes. Mighty 101 All-Purpose Cleaner eliminates grime, dirt, and germs on nearly every surface inside and outside your home, car, garage, and workplace. But 101 isn't just another all-purpose cleaner. This remarkable product is an evolutionary in cleaning technology, uniquely formulated to remove the toughest grease and grime faster than conventional toxic cleaning products. So, it is completely safe to use anywhere in your home or business and around children, infants, and pets. So, uh, and it's only available at tripleclicks.com. So, if you want to order of this product, read my description below. I will be putting the affiliate for the products, and you will be ordered directly to my affiliate inside of my description. So I am continue sold in bulk to large scale commercial and industrial businesses in the UK, Asia, and the Middle East for over 16 years. So Mighty 101 is now being packaged and offered for the first time directly to consumer at tripleclicks. So available in ultra lightweight recyclable sachet to save money, space, and shipping cost. So Mighty 101 can be delivered quickly and affordably almost anywhere in the world. When you receive your cleaner, simply add the contents of one sachet to a 750 ml spray bottle and you're off to clean nearly anything, and just one order of 10 sachet contains enough all-purpose cleaner to last your home or office up to a whole year. So discover the Mighty 101 for yourself at just $18.95 for a 10 sachet plus one free pack of sachet with free shipping. So Mighty 100 cost as a fraction of all those traditional water-based cleaners currently crowding your cupboard. So get your Mighty 101 standard pack now. So this is the I am clicking this, and wait, yes, this is the Mighty 101. Yeah, yes, this is the standard pack. So it is, well, 10 sachet plus 1 sachet, that is 11 sachet. So that is a Mighty 101. It really cleans everything safely. Standard pack. The worth is $18.95 free shipping. So if you want to order this, kindly read the description below, and I will be putting the affiliate of this product, and you will be directly to order. So if you want, if you will be clicking of that affiliate inside of my description, you will be directly to order of this product plus free shipping. Whatever you are, or wherever you are, wherever you are living, any country, you will receive the Mighty 101. It really cleans everything safely. Is standard pack. So, then let's go back here. So we were clicking attention is if I Mighty 101 one also represents a global earning opportunity. So learn more. Click this. So okay guys, this is a continue. What is the Mighty 101 all-purpose cleaner? So this is the meaning of this. So one bottle for one sachet only. So less expensive, and you can clean of this like home, cars and boats industry. So and it's only available at tripleclicks.com. This is the best product at the tripleclicks.com. So that's why you need to order now, or if you are interested to order, kindly as what I said, read at my description below my video. I will be putting the affiliate or the link of this product, Mighty 101. 101 is one sachet, good for one bottle. So you can clean these tiles, fabric, grace, glass. So that is the kindly read this one only also, and then like for example here, Mighty 101 people, pets, and planet safe. And then I want to show you on video on how to clean of this. So wait for a while. We will be click this. Uh, wait, like this. Maybe right this one. So my have to next of this by now and type of join SFI. So this is one. So for one sachet is one bottle only. So and then you will be putting the water inside the bottle. It is not a clear. Wait for a while. So this is the video of my Coca affiliate, or how to mix Mighty 101. So step 1, re, re, open the sachet and pour the contents into the clean spray bottle, and then step 2, fill the spray bottle up with tap water, and step 3, replace the trigger head and shake well. So that is the one sachet, good for one bottle only. So buy it now guys. So you can, what is this? This is the meaning or her. How big is a sheet? Her, if you are a member here in type who clicks add SE5, you will know what is the Mighty 101 all-purpose cleaner in your house. So that is, for this. So like for example, what kind of cleaning application is Mighty 101 ideal for? A revelation in cleaning, Mighty 101 is specifically designed to be one product with over 100 uses, including degreasing and cleaning concrete, removing bathroom limescale, making tile and goat shine, cleaning alloy wheels and tires, exterior cleaning and interior detailing of cars, boats, and RVs, removing pit stains, treating spots and shampooing carpets, cleaning and degreasing dishwasher, removing wax build-up and cleaning wood and tile floors, removing glue and tape residues on surface, simply cleaning jewelry and watches, removing stubborn, bake-on build-up in ovens and outdoor grills, cleaning stainless steel, aluminum pots and pans, removing stains on laundry, and killing and removing mold and mildew, renewing upholstered furniture, strict free window cleaning, and much more. So this is the available package Mighty 101 package available here. If you are interested, there are actually three packages. So the one is with free shipping, guys. If you want to buy, order worth of $29.95 this buy pack, so you will receive a 525 sachet plus 5 free sachet, make 30 spray bottles. So that is the $29.95. The other package is the value pack worth of $24.95 with free shipping. So 15 sachet plus 2 free sachet, so makes 17 spray bottles. And then the standard pack, that is less expensive, but it is 10 sachet plus 1 free sachet. Sachet make 11 free sachet. So that is an $18.95 dollars. Good for standard pack with free shipping. So ayan, that is the good for healthy or for Mighty 101, the cleaner to choose in 2021. It is available all over the world, guys. So kindly order my products, order my the tripleclicks, under the tripleclicks, the product under tripleclicks is one Mighty 101. 101 my Mighty 101 all-purpose cleaner. So that is all about, guys, about what is the Mighty 100 all-purpose center. So that is about on my video, guys. So if you are interested to order this product, as what I said, kindly read my description, inside of the description below of my video, or kindly look at the comment area. I will be putting of that comment for pin post, because we will be directly to click to order of this Mighty 101 all-purpose cleaner. So that is a good and less expensive. So ayan, that is a one bottle and one sachet. One sachet good for one bottle. So you can clean inside of your home or house and outside of your house also. So guys, that is all about of my video. If you are a new here, kindly click subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. So thank you for watching. Bye for now.